Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we're back with another video on our ways to make money selling in 2024. As always, I'm just going to jump into the video. I'm going to use my print-on-demand framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we'll be talking about today is we're thinking about tapping into a growing market for custom design kitchenware, including printed aprons, oven mitts, and cutting boards. So for the research, I decided that it would be a good way to create a theme holiday cutting board with unique phrases, designs, or styles. That is one way that you can create different products in the kitchenware niche. The platform that I'm going to use today is T-Launch. T-Launch has really great products. I've used their black mugs when I first started, and I love the quality of their products. So the product I'm going to be using today is cutting board. And I created a simple design, which you cannot see, I don't know why, in Canva. It just says cooking with love. You will see the actual design on the mockup. So for the mock-up, it just says cooking with love on the wood board from T-Launch. It came out really beautiful. These designs are etched into the wood, so it gives a long-lasting feel for the product and a unique twist to a custom personalized product. I hope you guys are enjoying the ways to make money selling in 2024 series. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.